Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get an auto clicker for Roblox, right? So it's very easy. So you have to just go to this website, SourceForge, and once you're here, you have to just type auto click, right? And don't worry, this is a completely a good website. And after that, you have to just hit the enter when you search for it. And here you can see there is a lot of auto clicker here. For example, let's say I just choose this one and I'll just click on alternative to OG auto clicker, and here it will show me a lot of auto clicker, right? So guys, choose this one, this auto clicker, right? And once you're here, you have to just click on download, and it will take just here a few seconds to get download, and here it's done. So I will just open it and I will just install, right? And by the way, this is not sponsored or anything. I'm just using this software for a very long time of period. So you can change the millisecond, the 100 is enough, right? And to start it, so when you are into your Roblox game, or if you're into any other game, for example it's GTA 5 or Roblox, whatever it is, you can just click F6 on your keyboard and it will start. You can see this is a start, right? F6, and then it will start and it will keep clicking. It will be in the auto click mode, right? And then you can just leave the game and whatever do, and you can just come back and you can just play that, right? By the way, if you want to change the hotkeys or anything, you can just click on hotkeys and you can change the shortcut button or key where you want to start this auto click, right? So this will just keep running in your background. And yeah, I hope you understood. So this is it guys, this is the only way where you can just find our auto click for Roblox. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.